If you're searching for the best ways to make money online, you're probably overwhelmed. There's dropshipping, crypto, AI, YouTube, affiliate marketing, and everybody claims their method is the fastest. So in this video, I'm going to break down the best ways to make money online in 2026. Realistically, strategically, and without hype. First, let's get one thing straight. The best ways to make money online are not magic tricks. They are business models. And every business model requires traffic and skill. Number 1, affiliate marketing. This is still one of the best ways to make money online because you don't need your own product. You promote someone else's product, you drive traffic, and you earn a commission. The key is choosing the right niche and mastering one traffic source: YouTube, SEO, short-form content, or email. Number 2, high-income digital skills. Copywriting, video editing, AI automation, paid ads management. Businesses are desperate for people who can either increase revenue or save time. If you develop a skill that directly impacts profit, you become valuable. And valuable people get paid. And number 3, digital products, courses, templates, eBooks, memberships. Create once, sell repeatedly. This is leverage. But it works best when you already have an audience or authority in a niche. Now here's the part nobody tells you. The best ways to make money online all follow the same formula. Attention plus conversion equals income. No traffic, no sales. Weak messaging, no sales. Most beginners fail because they jump from one shiny object to another. They try 5 models in 30 days and master none. The real strategy is simple. Pick one of the best ways to make money online. Commit for 90 days. Focus on skill and traffic. Improve daily. And understand this. Online income is not passive at first. It's active effort that becomes passive through systems. If you're serious about learning the best ways to make money online and building something long-term instead of chasing hype, subscribe. I break down real strategies, step by step,